Hey, this is Jared Huntington from Hubert Honda and Wilson to show you the 2018 Honda Odyssey EX-L with a rear entertainment system and the navigation. We've got LED daytime running lights, auto sensing high beams, LED fog lights. Over here we've got nice alloy wheels that are 18-inch, nitrogen in the tires so the air won't contract and expand as much in the cold and hot seasons. Breakaway mirrors with turn indicators on there, chrome accents on the door handles, push button to lock, reach your hands on the inside to unlock. We have a lift assist tailgate with a backup camera on there. This will come with the all-weather mats and the all-weather trunk trays. These seats can easily drop down to fold forwards, or they'll all fold down that little cubby hole to give you a lot of room back there for storage. We also have an assist on this door here. You get 28 miles to the gallon on the highway. Black leather interior here. We've got rear entertainment system right up here, along with our sunroof. Now we have a push to start engine button right here. New design in the parking brake. An economy mode to help with our fuel efficiency. A touch screen display. There's a view of our backup camera with 3 different views on there, a wide, narrow, and a top. And we also have the hands-free Bluetooth on the left-hand side here, cruise control right over here, with some of the Honda Sensing package features that are on there also. Now, if you'd like any more information on this vehicle, there's a lot more to show you, so come ask for Jared Huntington here at Hubert Honda in Wilson.